Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then get this free app from this developer, Launcher iOS 16. When your app is ready, select Open. Now, in order to use it, choose While Using and Allow in the pop-ups. Then just close your app and access Devices Settings. In them you need to scroll down and click on Apps. Now scroll down again, select Default Apps and click on Home App. Lastly, just tap on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Choose Got It. And as you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Vivo. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can do that by going back into the same settings and tapping on System Home Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!